Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome to my channel. In my last video, I unboxed the new iPad Pro 2020 12.9-inch tablet. If you have not seen that video, please do watch it. The links of that video will be in the description down below. So today, I will be showing off the case for my iPad Pro. This is the Ztotop Smart Folio case for the iPad. So let's check it out. So this is the Ztotop Smart Folio case for the iPad. So if you see overall, it looks nice. It has two ridges. This is the back. It's pretty hard case. And if you see, it's a 360-degree protection overall. So that's, I would say, it's a pretty good thing. So since this is a smart folio, it automatically makes your iPad awake and sleep just by closing and opening the lid. I wonder if there was something similar for humans too, you know. Okay, back to this. This is, I think it's pretty good material. I'm happy with what it was. I have been using this smart folio case for a month now, and I'm pretty impressed with the overall build quality and the durability. I think seems to be good, and the fit and fine is also pretty good. It has a space to keep, if you have the pencil, Apple Pencil Generation 2 is used for this iPad. So if you have that, it has a slot for that. You can directly place your pencil over here and it charges automatically. So let me take this out and show it to you. So this goes there, and if you see Apple Pencil, it charges. So pretty handy. It goes together with that, and if you see, there's no, it doesn't come out. You can keep your pencil safely over there. You don't have to worry about keeping it somewhere else or losing it. And then volume up and volume down, and again the power button over here, slot for everything. So overall it is very nice. Build fits exactly as required. And if I take this out, keep that aside, see the Apple Pencil stick, because that's a magnetic. So if you see, look at that, it's pretty, build is pretty nice, you know, all these with all the ridges and the shape. So it's a pretty nice build. Keeps your iPad secure, because you've spent a lot of money on the iPad, so you should have a case that should keep it safe. So it's pretty nice. Not very big. It's like a regular iPad case or any case. It will weigh accordingly, so not very heavy. It won't make your iPad too bulky. So let me fit it again. And if you see, I'm fitting it with my Apple Pencil. I'm not even taking it out because there's a slot for it, so it fits exactly. So two positions you can use with this smart folio case. One is pretty convenient to do with this one. So yeah, this position is one of the positions which I use most of the time when I'm drawing, or when I'm, you know, coloring, using Procreate or any other apps, or using 3D applications, mostly on my iPad. So I use this particular position. So it's pretty convenient to use in this way. Or if I'm watching anything, then this would be the second one, where it folds and stands perfectly, as you can see. So this is a good angle to view anything, you know. And again, if you notice at the top, there are two holes over here, and I believe it's to keep your, you know, Apple Pencil, if you see, this way, to keep it secure when you're working. Either side, if you are, I believe if you're left-handed or right-handed, they have given. That's what I assume. If any of you think these holes are for something else, do let me know in the comments down below. But I think this is for the pencil to keep the pencil secure, either left side or right side, whichever is your preference. So overall I think it's pretty good build. Now one thing which I noticed on this case was, let me show it to you. See, suppose you do not have an Apple Pencil, or you don't have it yet, or you don't want to use it. What I got my Apple Pencil about a couple of weeks later than the iPad because of the shipment delays going on with current scenarios. So when I got this case, and when I was opening my case and I was using iPad, most of the time I used to lift it using this particular, if you see this particular ridge, this slot. So most of the time I was lifting using this methodology. What I was observing is, if I do this more of the time, because there is a slot over here, right? I that was my habit. I had a habit of lifting the iPad from this where the case this way. So this, I was thinking, this may, if you do that more often and if you're not using with the pencil, this may bend over the time. So I don't know if it will happen or not, because I've been using it for 2 weeks, it didn't happen. But if you're doing it quite often, or if you're using it without a pencil, make sure when you lift the case, either you lift it with the case completely closed, which normally you would do, but if you're doing it like this one, just make sure you hold the screen and lift it. Don't just lift it from here, because this one might bend if you use it for longer. Otherwise I didn't see any other issues from this case. Pretty happy with that. And again, since it has slot for charging, you can see the pencil charges for the pencil as well. Pretty sleek. So I'm pretty happy with this case. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, do give the thumbs up, and if you did not, you can use the thumbs down button, but do leave a comment why you did not like this, or if you have a feedback, do let me know, because I'll be back with more videos on the iPad about the different tools that I'm using, so that will help me to create more videos that you are going to like. Until then, bye bye.